Hi. Nice to meet you.
Peppa Pig.
The music from Peppa Pig is so amazing. Peppa and George are going shushing. Peppa Pig and her family are having a lot of fun. Peppa and George like shush. George loves sitting in the chair.
I'm going to jail!
Sirs?
Daddy, can I sit on your face?
You're too big for my face. But you can help with the popping.
Oh, goody!
My dudes.
We've got 4 things on the list.
Tomatoes, spaghetti, and fruit.
Peppa and George love each other.
What's next?
Spaghetti.
That's right,
Peppa.
but it's called. What's next on the list?
Apparently nothing.
Peppa Pig.
Peppa, not on the list.
Daddy Pig bought Peppa.
I'm Wills-Eye.
Well, it looks like Thomas Shelby.
I'm Bratty.
Freddy's having a lot of fun.
I'm Monica.
God damn!
This is Yuri. This is Betsy. And this is Naomi.
Why do we have Doki instead of Peppa Pig? Peppa Pig loves to flex. Well, Doc is having a lot of fun.
What now? I'm reading.
Peppa Pig. Mummy, can we go and play in the sun?
You want to play a little game?
Yes,
No.
but it's very warm outside, so you must wrap up warm.
Mummy Pig wants the kids to sunbathe in warm clothes.
Hooray!
Hooray! Peppa and George have an episode of hyperactivity. George fell through the snow. Peppa drowned. Press F to pay respect.
Okay.
It's not funny.
George ignores Peppa and keeps looking at her.
Nothing funny. Dickens laugh.
Peppa and George are having a lot of fun. When the announcer said the phrase for you,
Suction.
the snowman looks very happy.
The snowman needs some clothes.
Why does a snowman need clothes if he's cold?
Mummy, Daddy! Come and look! On Daddy!
Mummy Pig is wearing her hat.
I think I know where Daddy...
Daddy Pig became snowman.
Oh.
My.